Hello everyone, it's Olumaiwa Victor Mushala from iDPS. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. Today I've got something very interesting for everyone again. Of course, it's going to be another management topic. This time it's could also be said to be marketing or economics related. So this is good if you're a business management student anywhere in the world, or even if you're an entrepreneur or you're already working in the industry. What do I talk about today? Today I talk about market structures. I think I should start by defining what a market structure is. A market structure helps to define the characteristics as well as the nature of a market. Especially it tells what kind of competition or what kind of pricing systems we have going on in the market. Therefore today I talk about 4 different types of market structures. I'm going to talk about monopoly market. I'm going to talk about oligopoly markets. I'm going to talk about monopolistic markets, and I'm going to talk about perfectly competitive markets. Let's start with the first one, which is monopoly. This is a kind of market structure. In this market structure, you have one seller and many buyers. Of course, that tells you that this seller is very powerful. Hence, this seller is a price setter. There is no competition at all. They are in the industry. They take all the profit in the industry. Therefore, they are very powerful and they are price setters. That's monopoly. An example of monopoly would be maybe a public corporation providing tap water. That would be a good example for monopoly. Kind of firm, yeah, a monopoly kind of firm. They are the only one who provides tap water for the entire community. Therefore, they are powerful and they can set their prices. Let's look at a different kind of market structure, and that will be oligopoly. For the oligopoly kind of market structure, you have a few sellers and many buyers. So unlike monopoly, where you have just one seller and many buyers, for oligopoly, you have a few sellers and many buyers. Of course, they are few, hence they are powerful as well. This means that they also set the prices, so they are as well price setters. There's little competition amongst the few sellers. In monopoly kind of market structure, there is no competition at all because you have one seller, but in oligopoly, you have a few competition, and again they are price setters. Examples for the oligopoly kind of market structure would be, for example, crude oil. Yeah, crude oil firms could be an example, and also maybe cable TV providers. Yeah, oligopoly. Let's talk about the third kind of market structure, which is the monopolistic kind of market structure. Here you have many sellers and you have many buyers, but you have differentiated products. Yeah? So these many sellers are not offering identical products, they are offering differentiated products. And because there are many sellers, therefore they are not price setters, they are price takers. That would be the monopolistic kind of market structure. And examples of this would be, let's talk about novels, yeah? Or movies. Yeah? These would be examples of monopolistic competition. Let's talk about the last one, which is the perfectly competitive market. Here you have many sellers and many buyers. Again, you see that they have little power, there is high competition, and therefore they are also price takers. Yeah? Examples of these would be your retail supermarkets. Examples of these would be, for example, farmers who sell milk or produce milk or wheat. Yeah? Those will be examples of the perfectly competitive market. So ladies and gentlemen, I just explained to us market structures. It tells us about the characteristics of a market, especially the nature of the market with respect to the level of competition in the market and the kind of pricing that we find in the market. And therefore I explained the monopoly market, one seller, many buyers, very powerful, no competition, therefore price setters. I explained the oligopoly kind of market structure, few sellers, many buyers. Again, they are powerful, there's little competition, they are price setters. Then I explained the monopolistic kind of competition. You have many firms, many sellers, that's what it means, many buyers as well. The products there are differentiated products, and they are price takers. Now they don't set price because there is competition amongst the many sellers. And the last one, perfectly competitive market, many sellers, many buyers, identical products, absolutely price takers because there's competition everywhere. I hope that's useful for some marketing students or business students or some economic students somewhere around the world. Thank you very much. As you know, we really value your feedback, so please go to www.idpsconsults.com. Let's know how we can serve you better. Of course, we are here to educate the world. You know that I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is that Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African in any part of the world? Keep doing all you can do to make sure Africa is united, and keep doing all you can do to promote African development. As I say in English language, thank you very much. Dutch language from the Netherlands, thank you all. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, Esheo. Bye.